And a significant piece of news coming in, so-called religious leader Yati Narsinghanand, who's accused of making incendiary speeches at Haridwar Dharm Sansad, has been arrested by Haridwar police. This is the second arrest in the case after Wasim Rizvi or Jitendra Tyagi was arrested on Thursday. This is the latest. Remember, Yati Narsinghanand is accused of making incendiary and provocative speeches against the minority community, and especially at that Haridwar conclave, where calls were made to use arms and violence against Muslims. After that, several people, including Supreme Court advocates and even army veterans and several intellectuals, wrote to authorities to take action against these alleged hate mongers. In fact, a hearing is also in Supreme Court as far as this case is concerned, and it is believed that after the Supreme Court's intervention, these arrests, one after the other, are taking place, but not all have been arrested in the case so far. These two people have been arrested, Wasim Rizvi or Mr. Tyagi and Yati Narsinghanand, who were a part of this hateful Haridwar religious conclave. And this is the latest as far as Yati Narsinghanand is concerned. Significant development there. Remember, there was a growing chorus and allegations were made that the police is not doing enough. Several FIRs were registered, but nobody was arrested until the matter reached the Supreme Court. Following which, we've seen 2 arrests, and now Yati Narsinghanand, who had made incendiary speeches, has been arrested. And remember, when everybody was pointing the finger at him for his speeches, he was defiant, and he continued to be unapologetic for the kind of speeches he had made at the Haridwar conclave. He was one of the organizers of that conclave that called for violence against Muslims and called for genocide of minorities. Very, very serious allegations against these so-called religious leaders. I'm joined by Abhishek Sinha on the broadcast. Abhishek, आपका बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. क्या ज़्यादा जानकारी दे सकते हैं? यति नरसिंहानंद को फाइनली गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है.
जी बिल्कुल, कल शाम को यति नरसिंहानंद जी जो FIR में जिनका नाम दर्ज था हेट स्पीच को चलते, उन्हें कल गिरफ्तार कर लिया. और मैं आपको बता दूं, बाकी की जो 3 और हैं इसमें, यानी कुल 5 लोगों के खिलाफ FIR दर्ज हुई थी. बाकी 3 लोग इस समय मौजूदा जो हमारे सोर्सेज बताते हैं, उन्होंने हाई कोर्ट का रुख किया है, वो नैनीताल की तरफ निकल गए. क्योंकि अब जो कहानी जो सामने निकल के आ रही है, वो निश्चित तौर पे अन्य 3 जो अभी तक नामजद चल रहे थे, उनकी भी गिरफ्तारी संभव होगी. अब मैं आपको बता दूं, यति नरसिंहानंद के ऊपर अभी कुछ ही दिनों पहले एक और 509 में और एक IPC धारा में मुकदमा दर्ज हुआ था, जिसमें 295 भी उनके ऊपर एलिगेशन लगाया था. 295A लगा था, जिसमें उनके खिलाफ महिलाओं के साथ अभद्रता और हेट स्पीचेस के खिलाफ फिर दोबारा से ये फैलाने की बात सामने जो आई थी, उसमें एक बार फिर कड़ी कार्रवाई और पुलिस उसमें तफ्तीश करके और बड़े मुद्दों के साथ इस FIR को मजबूत करने में जुट गई है.